When a PC is running low on available space, it can impact the computer's performance. And not only that, it can affect important Windows Update installations too. In this video, we'll go over a few tips to free up drive space on your PC. First of all, if you get an error message about low disk space, it's possible that your temp folder is full. To remedy this issue, first, reset the store by going into Settings. Click on Update and Security and select Troubleshoot. Scroll down and select Windows Store Apps and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. Next, to clear the Microsoft Store cache, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Type ws-reset.exe and click OK. A blank command prompt window will appear. Wait for the Microsoft Store to open. After it does, just close it. Now go back to the Update and Security Troubleshoot option and select Windows Update and run its troubleshooter. After you've completed all these steps, reboot your computer to see if the issue is fixed and space restored. Delete unnecessary and temporary files by using Storage Sense. Type Storage in the search box and select Storage Settings. Now select Temporary Files from the list. Choose the items you want to delete and then click on Remove Files. Afterwards, go back to the Storage Breakdown list and select Apps and Features. To uninstall any unwanted apps, select the ones to remove and click Uninstall. Turn on Storage Sense by toggling the switch. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Go through the options and choose the ones you prefer to customize when Storage Sense runs and when temporary files are deleted. If you don't have Storage Sense, you can still easily delete temporary and system files using the Disk Cleanup tool. Type Disk Cleanup in the search box and select it. Decide on which drive you wish to free up space. By default, downloaded program files, temporary internet files, and thumbnails are pre-selected. Tick any of the other items to be deleted. Highlighting a line item will provide information about it in the description. After you've made your selections, click OK. Go through your personal files and reassess their use. Move any heavy files and files not often used to an external drive or the cloud. Use List View and filter by size to help identify larger ones easier. Use a trusted antivirus program to run a virus scan, as viruses and other malware that corrupt your system files can take up a lot of space on your hard drive. Need help or have questions? Contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter. Visit the Dell Community Forum and join in a chat with other Dell users. Check out our many other tips and tutorials available on this channel and become a subscriber. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.